All right, so this is something I'm going to teach and what I'm going to work on for you guys. Penny stocks crash course. Okay, this is kind of how you know sometimes to step out of a penny stock and just to cut it and get out and run. Look at MLGO and look at this volume spike right near the high. It went a little bit further after, but this volume spike pretty much marked the top. And it was unable to pass that point later on in the day. It went a little bit further initially, but that volume spike basically tells you that everyone FOMO'd in at that point. And, you know, why would you want to buy after everybody who was sitting on the sidelines watching it? Now they all just bought in. Well, now everyone's in. There's no more buying. There's no more buyers sitting on the sideline. They all just jumped in right there. So that tells you sell. If you're in, that tells you sell. Take your profits and run. And that probably tells you as well, you can try and short it potentially. And it doesn't always work, but it works a lot of the time, okay? These volume spikes, especially if it's this obvious and this big of a volume spike, it doesn't always work, but it works a lot of the time. And you could see it even worked at the bottom too. Look at the bottom, higher volume at the bottom right here. And then it didn't go lower later in the day. It actually did a big rebound off that high volume. They're gonna watch out for that. Now we might get a little bit of a range tomorrow because we got some high volume at the high, we got some high volume at the low, and we might get a little bit of a range on MLGO tomorrow, which would make me think that I'm not interested in trading it tomorrow personally.